Welcome to Vasion Print, a solution for simple, secure, and scalable print management. Before we begin, I would like to note that the interface in this video may look slightly different from your instance of Vasion Print. That's because we're using the Vasion Print unified experience with Vasion Automate in this video. But whether you're using Vasion Print on its own or as part of Vasion Automate, everything you see here works the same way. In this video, you'll learn how to manually install the Vasion Print Client on a Windows machine using Google Chrome. Start by opening a new browser window and navigating to the self-service portal of your Vasion Print instance. When prompted to install the browser extension, select Install. On the next page, select Install Extension. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you'll see two options. Be sure to select Edge Extension. Select Add Extension to complete installation of the extension. Navigate back to your self-service portal tab and refresh the page. Use the Install button. This will download the client installer to your computer. Run the installer to begin the setup process. At the end of installation, you'll be prompted to restart Microsoft Edge, even if it's not your default browser. Select OK to continue. Return to your browser and refresh the self-service portal page one more time. Your Vasion Print client is now installed. If you're an admin and are already signed into the admin console, your client is automatically authorized in the self-service portal. If you'd like to silently deploy the client to your end users, you'll first need to download the deployable client package. You can find it in the admin console under Tools, Settings, Client, and scroll down to Deployable Client Packages. Once downloaded, you can deploy the client using any software distribution tool you're already using. For all other users, the client must be authorized during or after installation. Check out our video on authorizing devices for full instructions. That's how you manually install the Vasion Print client. Check out our other videos in the deployment and installation section to get additional information.